Hello. Test, 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 test. Alright, we're good. Everything is good. Just gonna get to the work. Let's just test it this way. It's not should be good. This fine. Let's put it here. Yeah, place view. So there's this. Too bad. Oh shit, I didn't even update the name of the stream. Let's update the name of that. Ta-da. I updated the stream. Alright, let's see. So should be pretty. This should. Oh, I forget I spawned the. Let's TP myself to somewhere where I will not drown to death. That I'm still drowning to death. I'm still drowning to death. What? Okay. No. Oh wait, no. There's land over there. There's land over there. Okay, I can use that. I can use this. Yeah. B. Okay. Hopefully this works. So if you do this, what it'll do is it'll check the hashes and all that fun stuff. And it didn't work. Ah, it didn't. It didn't change anything. Oh, maybe now? No? Okay, okay. I don't actually. I don't actually know what's going on here. But the current audio stream's bitrate is lower than recommended. But I'm talking. It's yeah, I'm talking. Can y'all hear me? I don't. I don't know if I can be heard. Let me see. Yeah, I can definitely be heard. Okay, I don't know what's going on here. Okay, so in theory, so I cannot change that hardcore mode, but it didn't change what? Wait, I'm so confused. So, uh, if I go to this, we go to this, yeah, it downloads that, which is exactly what I want, but it's not what it's doing. So Yeah, what's going on here? Let's erase that. Let's try that again, maybe? I mean, that's the only thing we can guess. So let me recompile this plugin. Actually, restarting the server shouldn't do anything, but I should probably check anyways if it does anything. So let's see. Okay, so it doesn't. Yeah, it didn't seem to do. I don't know yet. Log in. Okay, that's okay. That was not really progress. How do I reset that? Because it should be able to reset it, I think. God. Server. Oh, that's localhost. First of all, that didn't work for some reason, which is kind of concerning. Because let me get this up. Do does player matter data that the okay. So persistent data holder. Okay. So set custom tag. Okay. What's the docs on this? So that's not. It's really that complicated in theory. So uh, all I'd have to do is instead of setting metadata, it's dot set. What is it? Or first we gotta get the players dot get pers. How do we get the persistent data container thingy? That's the play play something. I mean, what I'm thinking, so there should be something here, but I'm not entirely sure what it is. Store cookie? No, that doesn't. I mean, that doesn't sound right to me. It would be something more like get persistent data holder, something. Oh, there you go. Yeah. And we set a key in this persistent data holder to something like is hardcore, where then we'd what else do we give it? So we give it the type, so the type is a bully. Yeah. How's that work? Let's go and check the documentation. What the hell? Wow, that is a lot of things. So that's set, and then persistent. Okay, so we need a persist. How the fuck do you spell that? I'm just gonna copy paste it. We need a persistent data type. I'm just gonna import that. And it's gonna be boolean, and then we need C. It's not very descriptive. What the fuck is C? Oh, it's the value of the key. Okay, so let's say true. So you want something like that instead? Do you just want all capital boolean? No. Eh. Okay. Can we see, how do you do this? Persistent data type. Oh, it's like all capital, double. String is not compatible with namespace key. You needed, okay, so wait, how did this, oh, new namespace key. So, say like that is, our key is equal to a new namespace, oops, sorry. Is equal to a new namespace key, and then we get our plugin. So our plugin is called toggle hardcore, then we got get plugin, and then is hardcore. Okay, that's easy enough, and then just put the key. So that is everything we need to set that, and in theory it should be pretty easy to read from it, right? Because it's just dot get instead of, okay, never mind. We still need to create a new namespace key. So let's declare this key somewhere a little bit higher because we're going to be using it a few more times. So we're just going to go and here, actually, we still want the boolean part. We just want get pre-system data container dot. Should we, oh, do we just like first ask? Okay, we first ask if it even has it. So if player dot get persistent data container has this key, then what we're gonna do is that we're gonna make this boolean is hardcore equal true. Whoa, fancy stuff, fancy stuff. So get persistent data container dot get key, and we're gonna make is hardcore equal the result of that key. Right? Oh, we just need that. Okay. Plugin, and then the key name. Oh no, wait, what? Okay. This is a dot boolean. Wait, but that's what you asked for. Uh, what? What does this even mean? Wait, but you asked for the. Okay. Okay. You know what? I'm not gonna argue with you. I'm not gonna argue with you. There's no point in arguing with the computer. It doesn't care about my feelings. Yeah, we don't need you. Are you now saying that we don't need you? What? Well, no, that I know that this might produce a null pointer, but that's why we check. That's why we check if it exists. You make no sense sometimes. I mean, what? My mic is very loud. Oh, it does actually look like it could be pretty loud. Ah, oh god, that is loud. Ah, okay, there. How am I? I'm doing all right. I do apologize. I don't have like an extra monitor to see stuff, so I just do everything on the same screen. If you're still here, yeah, I'm doing all right. I just, yeah. Um, I'm just doing the development of this plugin. I don't get why are you complaining? Can you stop complaining? Yeah, this, yeah, that's weird. I don't know why that's complaining, but it's fine. Um, I think, I think this will work. Let me just now transfer this over here. Not like that. Let's transfer this line right here. We're just gonna make it go over here. And you right here also need to go over here. It's a lot of duplicate code, but I think it's fine. I understand it. I used to stream with one monitor. Yeah, that it happens. I used to have a tiny one that I would like rechat on, but it recently broke, or it didn't recently. It wasn't recent, but it broke, and so now I'm dealing with a single monitor and I'm coding. So yeah, um, I think this will work. All right, let's build this. I'm not entirely sure why the server. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure why this isn't allowing me to. Oh, wait, just copy. Okay. Can you do that? There. And then we're gonna go and open this. Yo, what's up? I'm doing stuff for the Minecraft server. It's not it's hard but honest work. Let me check. Uh Subtree fam, I do apologize. I don't know if my guys, is my like mic too loud or anything? I don't want it to be too loud. Right now. Cool. So in theory, no, that doesn't work. Sup, Cooljo Minecraft. Welcome to the stream. You're in hardcore now. Good luck. You see, it's supposed to. What am I saying? What do you mean? What does it sound like? Hello. Wait. L. Uh, Tess. Tess. No, it sounds fine. Wait, what? Yeah, it sounds fine. Hello. Huh? What? Why are people saying my audio bad? My audio bit rate's fine. I'm streaming on the right. Wait, what? Yeah, there's no reason why my audio should be bad. For me, your audio's fine. Okay. I just had two people complain. Okay. I'm going crazy here, but I'm dying on my Minecraft server, and like they don't want to be playing hardcore. They're not good at hardcore, so they don't want to play it for at least the start of the server, or the start of their time on the server. Well, I want to make like a toggle so that if you don't want to play hardcore, but you still want to play on the server, you can just not be on hardcore. And so this is what happens if you say toggle hardcore, is that like, okay, this message is really long, but whatever. I think like the end of the week punishment or something is okay. Anyways, then you'll turn into spectator mode, and you're gonna be in that for like a week or so, but that's pretty decent, I think, of a solution. Um but yeah, it's the thing is that like it doesn't feel like you're in hardcore without the Minecraft parts, you know? So what I'm attempting to do is oh, that's actually what I need to do. I need to launch Minecraft, but with the console so that I can check what's happening in the background. It's important because I'm what I'm telling the Minecraft client to do basically is that when you run the toggle hardcore command, So if like you run this and you aren't in hardcore yet, it'll set the resource pack it'll set a resource pack that you're supposed to download, and then we give the message, this is the resource pack if you want hardcore hearts, and 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 then that's basically it. I hope this doesn't like reveal my exact location on this earth. Output log. Yes, please. Okay. Yeah, that's exactly what I. So while that's loading up, let's try to. I mean, this doesn't look wrong to me. Unless this Dropbox link is not giving the proper file. Like that's the only thing I would think to have to make this issue a thing. Is there like anything I can? Is there a place I could put this where it doesn't like reveal my exact location? Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna turn. Actually, a better way to do this is with that we can go and we can go in here instead. I can just back my way through the file system, go to downloads, and then we can run this thing right here. Uh, okay, okay. So maybe it's this. No, let me surround this in a thing. So it gives us this hash, and in theory, this hash, which if I can copy it, there you go. I think I got it. Yeah, this this should, yeah, it's the same. So it should be fine. You're downloading the right thing. Why isn't it working? Huh. Uh, Interesting. Can I be the Bedrock tester? I have Minecraft Bedrock. I don't need a Bedrock tester, but thanks for the offer. I think this, I don't know how many like custom things there's gonna be on the server, but like this is at least one of them. So, oh, okay, data, persistent data containers. Can we, uh, how to clear persist? Oh, I can spell. Oh God, I can't spell. Okay, bucket, or I guess Minecraft is a good way to say it too. Bruh, I have to reset the server. What? Okay, so yeah, that sucks. I guess that's fine. I can do that. Although I do have to turn off the server. And then delete player data. And once player data is deleted, in theory, I should just be able to start up the server. You don't play Minecraft. I do play Minecraft. That's the thing I do. Uh, I can join the server on my PS5. I can join the server. I mean, yeah, I think I gave the tutorial for that now. I didn't, I didn't do it, but like I gave the thingy for it. Okay, so it does that, and then nothing happens. Like my hardcore hearts aren't changed, and I don't have an extra resource pack. So what happened? So it seems invalid pack metadata in. Okay, so this is what it is. So the pack I gave is probably not the correct version. Invalid pack metadata. Missing metadata in pack server. Okay. That is something. So let's actually, what is, okay, that's actually an issue. Um I think what Windows did is it wrapped the the pack in a it wrapped the resource pack in a I'm gonna like delete all this just real quick for the stream. Oh, they're too big to delete. Can I keep that? Okay, I can keep that. This is a very important thing, but anyways. Okay. So for some reason, maybe if I like use 7-zip or something. Uh so let's add to this. Okay, no, that also does the same thing. Okay. But if I like what if I like just copy these out of here and then compress them into yeah. So now this is the actual pack, and I'll do this. I'll get the hash for this. So we go and get the hash of it, and we can put it in there. And I'm gonna upload it to Dropbox real quick, but I'm gonna blank out the screen. I'm not gonna blank out the screen completely, but I'm gonna blank out the screen because there's like fancy or not fancy, but there's things on there that that could reveal a little bit too much about me that I'm comfortable showing. So we're gonna upload it to here. Delete file, yes please. Upload file. This. Okay. Okay. Download file. Not download. We're gonna get the copy link thingy, and then we're gonna copy this part. Alright, it should be good. So give me a second. Let me unblank out my screen. There you go. And now we got a new link to this resource pack. If I can just get it. There you go. Okay. Boom. We're gonna build this. While it's building, we're gonna kill this. Go to my Minecraft stuff. We're gonna delete all player data. We're gonna go here, we're gonna delete the plugin. And we're gonna replace it with this one. This newly built. Start up the server. And in theory, it should work this time. Because if it doesn't, then that'll suck. Let's see, any fancy stuff happening in YouTube chat? Smart kitty. Okay. And then, hello, cool dude games. Is there gonna be any server code on something? Well, I mean, I'm currently coding stuff to be on the server. So that's kind of what's happening. So here's what I'm working on. So when you join the server, you may not want to be in hardcore mode, which is okay. I completely respect that because it's really annoying because it's easy enough to die like accidentally from mobs in Minecraft. So you can toggle hardcore mode, and what it does is that it toggles hardcore mode. And you see, it downloads a resource pack that makes my hearts into hardcore hearts. And now if I die, I am in spectator mode. I was thinking of like banning a person, but I don't know. But yeah, this is my current solution for this issue. I think it's basically done. What about Bedrock? So yeah, that's what I actually need to test in a second. So yeah, let's test Bedrock. So let's reset all of this. I don't know if actually this works on Bedrock. If not, then we might have to do an alternative method to doing this. But we'll have to see. So we're gonna let this do its thing. And while that's doing its thing, we're gonna open Minecraft Bedrock. When can we join the server? You can join the server right now. The server is live. The server's currently live. The link is in the description to the Discord where you can see the IP, but the IP is also in the description, so you can join it on Bedrock or Java. Um, but yeah, so this should work in theory. Let's turn off this music. Let's turn that down too. Oh no, I closed that. Oh, I didn't mean to. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Up and terminal. Okay. Is player data a thing? Player data is not a thing anymore. Okay. Cool. So yeah, start the server up. Can I like do a good thing? Not that small. Okay, never mind. That's actually decent. I don't need too much space for that. Anyways, so should be able to just do local host. Oh, I don't have Bedrock support on that actually currently. Okay, let me add the Bedrock plugin real quick so that I can actually do stuff. I believe I have Bing here, so let's just add these two things right here to the server. Boom. I think this has mapped everything to the right. I think everything here is mapped to the right thing. Yeah. Okay. So let's start this back up. So now it should have cross-platform support, and let's just call this test server. I have two servers named test. Huh. So let's see. This looks good, yeah. Okay. Cool. Starting. Come on, you got this. There, you got this. And then it should work. Should. Oh god. I need to be drinking my my fluids. Oh. Hmm. That's some good water. I don't know why it didn't work. Weird. Yeah, this why isn't it seeing my server? Do I need to be super specific? Oh my god, guys, I'm revealing IP. IP. It's my IP. Oh, I did that wrong, didn't I? It's like 27 there? Yeah. Is it still not happy? Wait, why is it not happy still? If I give it 0.0.0.0, will it be happy? That's what it says it's running on, although it's wrong. It's running on local host. Hmm. Okay. You win this time. I'm not putting my IP in this for the sake of not being. Where the fuck is it? I don't see where my. Oh, do I not have it open? I don't even have it open. Okay. Minecraft servers, dev server, plugins, this one, that one. Okay. Uh, this looks fine. Yeah, everything here is fine. I don't know. I was putting the right IP in, so I don't know what's going on. That is an IP that should work. If it's not, do you happen to know? Oh, I got. Do you happen to know any chords or spawn chords on the server? I'm lost and I don't know the chords. I don't off the top of my head, but I can just join and check them for you. Uh, oh, I got a bottom. I don't know where I got a bottom at. Okay, whatever. They are. Are you? I'm assuming you're on the server, right? Yeah, it looks like you guys are on the server, so let me head to my house real quick and let me do slash chords. Uh, okay. My chords are that. That is my house chords. Hey. So that is my current coordinates. Anyways, This is weird. Why doesn't this work? Ooh, whoa, people are. Wow, that's a decent amount of people. Please stay. I'm doing the work on the server. I can't stay. I don't have anything planned. Oh, also, I'm gonna go inside. I don't want to stand outside. The thing about having a server that's hardcore is that I can't go AFK because the server doesn't like pause or anything. Um, oh, so it's really weird. I can't join my own server on uh everything's right. The IP is right. Port's correct. Um, well, not sure. Not sure at all what is going on. Slash link account. It for those Bedrock peoples, they what it does basically is how do I explain it? Um, so when you're if you have a Bedrock account and you also have a Java account, it links that Bedrock account to your Java account so that you can save progress between both. I guess I can. I don't see why not. Um, but yeah, that's basically what it does. Yeah. So that is convenient if you have like a Bedrock account that you want to link to. That's what I do. I can join the server both on Bedrock and Java as myself. Like this works for me. You see, I can join the server as myself. Very cool. I have a cool little cape. Yeah. Um, I don't know why this doesn't work. This is weird. This is weird. Um, I don't know why this doesn't work. Honestly, I don't want to find out why. All right. I think I've like for the most part finished this plugin. Um, ooh, I'm not using this web browser. Using using trying to think what I'm trying to do. Plugin to set resource pack of a Bedrock client. Seems to be a thing. Is this a thing that we? Is this a thing that's happening? Custom items are now supported. Okay. Did this be like a closed? Wait, did this guy is just wait, is this an issue or a pull request? I could have sworn it's a pull request. Let's see. Wow, there's a lot of discussion on this one. Um, is there like any resolution to this? It doesn't seem like it's a thing. It just yeah, I don't think there's gonna be support if I'm gonna be able to support Bedrock clients. It doesn't seem like there is any support for this. Um, okay, let's see. Current limitations include things like um Actually, let's look up resource pack. Looks like there's something fancy I can put here to support some certain Java features. I might do that. Mm, set up the basic. You can help me here make a textures folder. Okay. I think that's plot possible for me. I don't know there's a wiki for this. That's cool. Are there, got it. Are there any rules on the server? For the most part, the only rules are don't hack and just use common sense. It's not too difficult. Um, so yeah, what I'm trying to think here is that to support Bedrock, I think is there like an API I can access? Like a API Minecraft. Oh, there is an API. Okay. So let's see. What does this API give me now? So so creating extensions. I've never heard of these before. The easiest way to create an extension is by something like that. Okay. Is that it though? Oh. Oh, that's so it gives us a so I can use this to tell if a player is using Bedrock. Ooh, okay. Wait. This might actually be useful. Okay. So the pack package contains classes and interface related to resource packs in Geyser. You can create custom resource pack and send them to an individual session before they log in. If you wish to all sessions use. Okay, so this actually could make it possible. Um, although, uh, so yeah, I can just add it to a plugin that I'm currently making, which of course I'm making that right now. Let's see. Is there any new chats? Do you do you s- do you still want to know the best shaders and they can give you a ton of frame? I know some pretty decent shaders. I'm not really worried about frame rates, to be honest. My computer's pretty decent. Um so yeah, this is what I'm thinking is I can add this to the project and in theory, yeah, so I just add this and it should. Yeah, this isn't that bad actually. I kind of have a little workflow in mind. So let's copy and paste all of this stuff that I need. So let's just boom. And let's find my properties or whatever the frick this is. What where do I put this again? I don't know. Put it there. There we go. There's another thing. Copy and paste this. I want to put it below this for no reason in particular. Do I need to have this? I don't know. Right, let's just update the configurations. See if anything fails. Nothing should fail. Everything should be perfect. I mean, everything looks good. There's a warning here. Uh, yeah, no, everything looks good. So, in theory, I should be able to use this, yeah, this API now, and then get is Bedrock player, then give the UID of the player. So that's actually pretty useful for me. Uh, how do you how do you get territories? It's chunk claims. So the way you do it here, let me just show you. Um, so the way you can claim chunks on my server is by doing slash chunk claim, and that will claim a chunk for you. I already am in these chunks that I claim, but yeah. Um, yeah, so that's the very easy way of doing it. It's not too difficult. You can only claim a certain amount of chunks, but it shouldn't be that much of an issue unless you're trying to like claim an absurd amount. But yeah. Anyway, so let's try to add Bedrock support for this. So what do I need? Um, okay. So when yeah, so if yeah, if Bedrock, so if the player the player get you is a Bedrock player, what we need to do is we need to kick them from the server actually. Yeah, we need to kick them from the server. So we're gonna go player dot kick player rejoin to fully apply these changes. Okay. So so that will kick a Bedrock player saying to rejoin later. And we're gonna return we're gonna return true here. And that should be good. Um yeah. And then we're gonna just say on player join. We're gonna create an entire new thingy here. It's gonna implement I believe it's listener it implements. Not WebSocket listener. Listener for a bukkit event. And this bukkit event, I don't actually know what's the player join event. Where the fuck is my browser? Player join event. Anyway, so how does it work actually? Uh, contains classes and interfaces related to resource packs. You can create custom resource packs and send them to individual users before they log in using session load resource pack events. So how does it work? God, my head hurts like a bitch. Ah, okay. So, oh, it's actually they have their own thing for this. Okay. Interesting. So, session load resource pack events. Uh, It seems like I might need to look at the documentation on this one because this one's a bit complicated. Oh, there is no documentation. It's the documentation is read the damn code. Okay. Okay. I can do that, I guess. So we got a resource pack and it's a little interface thingy. That's okay. And the resource pack manifest, which I believe will implement it. It's just its own other interface. And path pack codec, that doesn't help me either. How is this supposed to help me? So called when initiates a session for a new Bedrock client is in the process of sending resource packs. Okay. That's all right. Yeah. So let's delete this. Oh shit, that was the wrong thing to delete. Yes. I want to delete you. Okay. So I think what I do is probably at the beginning here just say add a Bedrock listener maybe. Hmm. Yeah, so Bedrock listener. No. What does Bedrock listener do? Maybe it's not that. Maybe it's something else. Event bus. I like being on buses. Oh yeah, subscribe. This is what you should do, by the way. Subscribe to my channel. Um, to a new event register. Okay. Let's see if there's any documentation relating to events here. Okay, this isn't what I'm looking for. Oh, listening to events. Okay, how do I do it then? Oh shit, that's it? Wait, what? Okay, so it has a powerful event system. That's what I like to hear. Powerful events. Do they still 30 iron, 30 iron. Solid, solid. Bye, see you, tree fam. Um, so events are the heart of this, and full documentation can be found here. To use events in a paper slash spigot plugin or fabric mod, you need to register the event bus as a listener, then subscribe to the events that you want to listen to. As extensions can use the @subscribe notation. So events are sent to Jonathan Bedrock events here. Okay. So server. Okay. So is that it? So it doesn't seem too difficult, it seems like. So um I don't actually know how to like do this multiple times, but I'll figure that out later. The new actually we call the API, we get event bus dot register. Okay. And it just says link this plugin, so do I just do this? I event register. Oh, it's a plugin here for Spigot. Oh, is that really it? Is that really it? What? I refuse to believe it's that easy. What? Okay. this line real quick. I don't know how to do it. Like cool or stuff or whatever. So why is it mad here? Because here it's not mad and it's just implementing. Oh, it needs to implement another thing. Implements event register. Okay, I can do that. So now it shouldn't be mad anymore, right? It does. It's not mad anymore. Okay, and it doesn't look like that broke anything. So, uh, okay. And then we just subscribe to this event. So at subscribe. Um, and here we subscribe to the event called on resource pack load. So let me public void real quick. Public void. And then we're just gonna, yeah, user resource pack event. That event. What does it have here? We need to create a list of resource packs. So I think with this, we actually, okay, so it's just a path to the pack, which I don't know if that's like the path in the plugin itself. Um, hmm, interesting. How do I say? No, I don't think that's how that works. I don't have any more iron than y'all, what y'all have. I'm not rich. So paths are created using a path codec, and then this allows you to load resource packs from a file path. Okay, I can do that. It's not that difficult. Of course, I do have to do a little bit of this, that, and then a little bit of that. And we need to define a path, and a path. It expects a path, so we're gonna do path equals new path. And I actually don't know what type of thing it wants from me. Here, give me a second. Yeah, it wants that. Then it wants oh, this is an interface. I don't want to implement methods. Who the fuck wants to implement an interface? God, my head hurts like a bitch. Okay, whatever. File path maybe? I don't know. I don't use this enough. Are you a skibbity? I am not a skibbity. Quite unfortunate actually. Um path? When is it ever used? So just need a Java that. Okay, so I just need a file, and then file equals new file, capital F. Okay. So the path name is, let's say that we have a resources, and inside this resources we have resource, or we just call it packs. Let's say in theory that in there we have a pack called, wait, we have boom, re resources slash packs slash something, maybe. Can you just play Minecraft? No, I have to do this. It's too late. I just heard a thing. Oh, hydrate was redeemed. Huh. I'm hydrated. Oh, I think I needed that. My head is no longer pounding. Is my boyfriend home? The answer is... It's slow. That's the answer. Yes. Um, can this work? Why won't you? Yeah, I feel like this would work, but I don't know if it would work. This was all linking me to this. So resource packs that add packs. I don't actually know where to put this for it to like not be dumb. Let's call it say hardcore parts dot zip, something like that. Who knows? It's gonna go. It's gonna be file dot two path or get path. Not two path. Okay, two path. Right. And then we're gonna event dot resource packs dot add, and then path that. Oh, what? That doesn't. But it said that it need. Hmm. Then file dot to path. Does that just work? Oh, I did need to delete that first line. Oh, I think this should work. I don't see why it wouldn't. At the same time, I made it, so I don't know how much I trust it, but it should work. Anyways, so we got the main things done. Now we need to make the way to disable your hardcore mode. Or not disable, but to revive you, I guess. So I think that's the thing for another time. I'm making a plugin that does stuff. My mind is fried right now. I'm way too tired for this. Uh, yeah, I think I'm just gonna save my work for today. I think. think I'm ending the stream for today then. It's been a pretty good stream, I'd say. I got work done. I am very tired though, so yeah. I'm gonna. Bro, do you have any yellow blocks? I do not have any yellow blocks, unfortunately. But yeah, I'm gonna head out. My voice is dying, so that's also a thing. I hope y'all have a good day. Bye bye.